I'm here today to provide new mothers with coping strategies to tackle negative body image and low self esteem during this pandemic, COVID 19. Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Mind for Life. I'm Karthika Thomas, a counselor and a power yoga instructor at Mind for Life. Motherhood is the most celebrated phase in a woman's life. Being a mother to a little child has a lot of perks but comes with a lot of challenges too. Now, prenatal and postnatal depression is a common challenge faced by new mothers and pregnant women. And in spite of all of that, if you have to face these challenges during a pandemic such as COVID-19, it is a struggle beyond imagination. Most new mothers experience postnatal depression, and negative body image and low self-esteem are common components of stress, anxiety, depression in new mothers. Some women go on to make exercise routines and diet plans to start with right after delivering their baby. Most women find it hard to cope with sleeplessness and lack of energy that they fail to stick to these plans that they have already made. And this is where frustration and stress kick in. Now, what most women fail to understand is that postpartum recovery is a gradual process. You need to listen to your body. This is the time you have to spend in connecting and bonding with your little one. Now, in addition to this depression and postpartum blues, comes the added frustration and stress of facing a worldwide pandemic. Now, not only are all your plans and routines or activities affected by COVID-19 for safety reasons, but the fact that social isolation and being at home all day to protect your child from getting infected is added paranoia and distress in parents. Here are some tips that will help new mothers to feel optimistic about their body image, and this will help them enhance their self-esteem and feel better during this pandemic. You are a superhuman. Be kind to yourself. You just produced another human being. Your body has been through such tremendous change and needs time for recovery. Listen to your body. Look at yourself in the mirror and embrace your motherhood. Nursing and nurturing a baby requires a great deal of energy, which is difficult to fathom when you are having those sleepless nights post-delivery. Right now, the most important thing is bonding with your baby and not stressing about how to lose that baby weight. Eat healthy and right. Eating healthy is very essential at this stage. Starving yourself is just going to lead to exhaustion and burnout. You have to be mindful to eat healthy and right for enhancing the quality of your milk that your little one requires for growth and immunity. Getting help from a nutritionist and dietitian is very beneficial at this stage. Exercise in moderation. Understanding your body and its healing process goes a long way during this stage. Do not dive into all those strenuous workouts or exercise routines right after you feel pain-free. You must remember that your body went through 9 months of tremendous change while nurturing your child within you. You should give that body 6 to 9 months for recovery. Now, the principle no pain, no gain does not apply here during postpartum recovery. You must remember that. Take small walks in the park near your house with your baby, adhering to all the rules of safety measures of COVID-19, and see how that will help you rejuvenate your senses. That's a mild form of exercise that you can include in your routine. Be mindful of what you read and watch in social media. Now, desiring a pre-pregnancy body right after delivering your baby is not being unreasonable, but stressing over it definitely is. You may have noticed these actresses and models go on to have these perfectly proportioned, fabulous body right after delivering their child. You should understand that they have designated staff working on them pre-pregnancy and post-delivery. You also should understand that everybody's bodies are different and every pregnancy is different. Don't stress over it. Give it time to heal. Lastly, self-care is essential. Staying safe, staying well, adhering to all the safety measures during this pandemic is very important. you have to remember that only if you are well, you will be able to take care of your baby. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel, Mind for Life, a healthy mind to a healthy body.